The Royal Saint Lucia Police Force received a generous donation of drug test kits from the Republic of China, Taiwan, during a handover ceremony Friday morning.
Drug test kits will significantly enhance our capacity to detect, deter, and of course, assist with the scourge of drug trafficking and abuse that threatens the well-being of our communities and that of our youth.
Assistant Commissioner of Police Dr. Masili expressed the force's profound gratitude, emphasizing the donation's importance in bolstering their drug enforcement capabilities.
This contribution will support not just our frontline officers, but our healthcare providers and our customs personnel in identifying harmful substances more quickly and accurately, allowing for swifter interventions and stronger enforcement. And it also symbolizes our continued spirit of friendship, trust, cooperation, and collaboration between our countries.
Ambassador of the Republic of China, Taiwan to Saint Lucia, Nicole Y.C. Su, highlighted the bilateral treaty on mutual legal assistance in criminal matters as further evidence of the strengthening relationship between Taiwan and Saint Lucia.
In order to further strengthen our shared vision and partnership, today, on behalf of the government of the Republic of China, Taiwan, I have the pleasure to hand over 500 sets of white screening reagents, as well as 100 sets of marijuana reagents to the Royal Saint Lucia Police Force. These drug test kits were developed and manufactured by Taiwan's Investigation Bureau under the Ministry of Justice. They are easy to use and capable of providing rapid and reliable screening results for a variety of drugs.
According to Ambassador Su, the test kits have proven effective in Taiwan, enabling officers to quickly and accurately identify suspicious substances in the field.
We are sure that they will likewise assist the Royal Saint Lucia Police Force in combating the situation of narcotic substances and also enhancing the public safety and security for all Saint Lucians.
In my capacity as the inspector in charge of the Gangs, Narcotics and Farms Unit, I can confidently affirm that these kits will significantly enhance our capacity to respond to drug-related offenses. They will support frontline investigations, increase the accuracy of our assessments, and reinforce our ongoing fight against the illegal drug trade.
The strong ties between Saint Lucia and Taiwan were celebrated as a symbol of ongoing cooperation and a shared dedication to public safety.